Welcome back to Carbon Editing. Today we will change color and print of any t-shirt like this. Firstly select Tools, then Adjustments, now change hue as per your desired color.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity.
Now click on Erase tool and restore the color of t-shirt.
Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Let's add print on t-shirt.
Clear sky.
After selecting print, blend it to screen. Now you can add different prints, but only thing you must keep in mind that you have to blend it according to print and color of t-shirt.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Now you can make your t-shirt black and white by applying black and white effects. You can also make it by color by erasing it like this. Now select FX, then Pop Art, then click on Off Grid for more patterns. We can change color of patterns too, as we changed color. goodbye guys, see you in a next video. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for our latest updates.